The purpose of this is to show an illustration of a word problem that uses fractions to reduce the lowest terms. In this problem, we have in a group of 25 sailors, 15 are Spartans. Write this as the fraction in lowest terms. Well, if we don't know what to do, we look at hint 1, and hint 1 always shows an overall picture, so we can see that some are separate. The Spartans are different than the sailors, and we also learn what lowest terms means, which technically means that only the whole number 1 will divide evenly into both the numerator and denominator. Now, we probably don't know what that means, so we look at hint 2, and we see that if we counted these particular sailors here, we would actually have 25, and in the box we have 15 out of 25. To see what that looks like as a fraction of the whole, we have 15 out of 25. Let's look at the next hint, and we can see 15 out of 25, and we find that 5 is the greatest common factor that divides evenly into both 15 and 25. And when we look at the last hint, we can see that 15 25ths is really the same as 3/5, and you can compare the blue part. Now, of course, the advantage of Internet Math is not that it necessarily teaches only 15 over 25, it's that it teaches the concept of fractions and it teaches how to solve fractions. So in this particular case, we have 4 sailors and 2 Spartans when we repeat the problem. And again, we have the same picture with the same focus on keywords in hint 1. And then when we look at hint 2, we see that now we only have 2 sailors out of 4. And we see the visual representation of that. And we go on, and we see the same thing in hint 3. And hint 4 shows us that 2/4 is really the same as 1/2. Thank you for listening.